Okay, so hi everybody and welcome back. Today we have something special on our bench, which are these three black boxes. Well, okay, the actual special thing is what they contain. These are new motors, brushless motors for quadcopters or actually for multi-rotors, which our friends at flyingfrog.com sent to us. I will put a link in the description. What we will do today is we will unbox these, we will check the build quality of these, we will do some macro detail shots so you can assess the quality yourself, and we will of course measure their weight. In a follow-up video, in the next video, I will perform thrust measurements for each of these motors with a series of different propellers. But in this video, this will just be the unboxing review as I just explained. So let's see what we have here. Let's start with the first one, which is actually the smallest one which we got. This is the Storm. Put it here. The Storm 2204 with 2300 kV. So Storm is this motors series. That's the name of them, and they aim to be very high quality motors which can compete with other high quality motors such as Scorpion. So I will hold it in the camera here so that you can take a look, but I will also do some high quality photos afterwards, which I will also include in the video. These do look very nice. They have a very nice feeling to them. They come with the usual prop adapter. In this case, the prop adapter is built into the motor, as you can see. They also come with high quality magnets, ball bearings and so on. I will link to the actual data of this motor in the video description so you can check yourself. Another very nice thing which they come with is that this shaft is hollow. That's a hollow shaft to save even more weight, and while that brings us to the actual weight of this motor. So again, this is the 2204 motor with 2300 kV. Let's check the weight for this one, and this comes in at 26 grams without this accessory, and with it we are at about 28 grams. Let's put that away. And of course it comes with the accessories, so in this case all the screws and so on which you need come of course with this motor. So this was the 2204 motor with 2300 kV. Okay, and we are back with the next motor. Again, we have the usual accessories, of course, all the screws. It all feels very high quality with these motors. So they really aim to have a high quality motor series here with the Storm motors. That is the 2206 motor with 2200 kV. Again, this one comes similar to the other one with high quality bearings and of course magnets. Again, the shaft for the propeller, so the prop adapter is built in, and again it also comes with a CV and CCV edition, of course. As I said, I will link the product description so you can take a look yourself. Just hold it in the camera so you can take some close-up video of it. I hope you can see it. For me, I can see it as well. Also, the windings seem to be very nice and very clean with these motors. So they really seem to try to make a high quality motor series with that. Let's see what the weight of this one is. So that one comes in at 32-33 grams. And now we are back with the final motor, with the last motor in this series, which is also the largest one. And here again you can see it again comes with some accessories, this time other accessories, or a bit more accessories than the others. This is the 2208 2000 kV motor, which is a pretty nice motor. The build quality is also very nice, and as you can see, it also comes with this prop adapter, but this time this prop adapter is not built in, so you can either choose to use this prop adapter for your regular props, or you can use this prop adapter for the bolt-on props. So both of them are supported with this motor. If you use this prop adapter, you can also see that there are these ruffles here. I hope you can see it. I think you can see it. These are these ruffles here, which should help to really hold your propeller even better, so that there is no way this can come loose. And we will again, of course, do some close-up photos for you, a close-up video, so that you can see this motor. Again, looks very nice. So I think they really did a good job when manufacturing these. And later in the follow-up video, when I do my thrust measurements, we will see if this also results in a good efficiency motor. But so far they look really nice. Let's again take a look at the weight of this. So in this case I will leave this adapter on. It's not so heavy anyways. Let's see what we have here for this 2208 motor. We come in at 44 grams. This is nice. So to conclude this unboxing review, the build quality of these motors is very nice, but of course what really counts is their efficiency. And this is something which we will do next in a follow-up video. We will do measurements with all sorts of propellers and of course provide you the data so that you can assess yourself if this is a motor which you would like to buy. If you want to take a look right now, I will put the information on Flying Fog in the video description. Please visit their website. They not only have these motors, they have all other things as well, especially also the stilt racing drone. So that looks really nice. It's also a European shop, so for all you guys in Europe this is very nice because there are no problems with customs and so on, you know. So take a look, visit them. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing review and these new motors. If you did enjoy them, please leave a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel. I would really be happy about that. And well, see you next time.